Hello everyone! Are you wondering what sapiosexual means? Let's explore. Sapiosexual refers to someone who is attracted to intelligence rather than physical appearance. For sapiosexual individuals, the mind is the most appealing aspect of a person, and intellectual connection often forms the basis of their attraction. They might find deep conversations, wit, and intellectual prowess more stimulating than conventional physical attributes. This orientation highlights the importance of mental compatibility and intellectual engagement in relationships. In essence, sapiosexuality is about prioritizing the intellect as the key factor in attraction, making intelligence the primary source of romantic or sexual interest. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.